A new budget laptop from Apple is making waves in the tech world. The MacBook Neo is not just affordable, it may also be the easiest MacBook to repair in more than a decade. Starting at just $599, the MacBook Neo is designed to bring the Mac experience to more people, especially students and everyday users looking for reliable performance at a lower cost. But the biggest surprise is not the price. Early teardown reports reveal that this laptop features a far more modular internal design compared to recent MacBooks. Instead of relying heavily on glue and tightly integrated parts, many components inside the MacBook Neo are secured with standard screws, making the device significantly easier to open and repair. In fact, teardown demonstrations show that the laptop can be fully disassembled in around 6 minutes, highlighting how streamlined and accessible the internal layout really is. One major improvement is the keyboard design. On older MacBooks, replacing a keyboard often required replacing the entire top case, which could cost hundreds of dollars. With the MacBook Neo, repairs are expected to be much cheaper. Battery replacement outside warranty is estimated around $149, while AppleCare Plus coverage can significantly reduce repair costs. The device is clearly targeted at students and budget-focused buyers who want a dependable laptop without worrying about extremely expensive repairs. Despite its lower price, the MacBook Neo still delivers strong everyday performance, a bright display, and efficient processing powered by Apple's mobile chip architecture. For years, Apple has faced criticism over difficult repairs. The MacBook Neo could signal a new direction where affordability, performance, and repairability finally come together. Stay tuned for more and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.